Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get this super quick, super simple makeup look. And it only takes about 10 minutes. So I do this makeup look when I don't have a lot of time to get ready. And I love it because I still look presentable. I still look like I'm not a bum. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so since this is a super simple makeup look, I'm gonna start off with concealer. Since obviously it's a fast on the go look, I don't use foundation just because obviously that takes up a little bit more time and it's one extra step. So I'm actually gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And I was using this CoverGirl True Blend Undercover concealer. I know I mentioned it in my previous video, but I'm actually out of it. And this is in the shade Fair Neutral. And I'm just gonna apply this mainly where I want a little bit of coverage. I want to cover like my redness that I have. And as always, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe E2 brush and I'm gonna blend that in. So I love doing this makeup look, especially when I'm in a rush or when I don't have time to do like a full-blown, full coverage makeup look. And as you guys know by now, being a mom, you sometimes don't have time to do a full makeup, like full-blown, full coverage makeup look. So you have to find something that's gonna work for you, something that's quick yet looks presentable. And you guys could see that that concealer does cover very well. So it does help since you're not using foundation. Okay, next I'm gonna use bronzer and a mix of like a contour shade. So I'm gonna use this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer Palette, which is this right here. And I'm gonna use the lightest shade right here. And then I'm gonna mix that with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. And of course I'm gonna use the lightest shade over here. And then I just apply that on the hollows of my cheeks. I don't think I blended out my concealer good. There we go. And this can honestly take you like 10 minutes probably. And just make sure you get your jaw. And then we're moving on to blush, and I'm using this Tarte blush palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Fortunate and then the shade Angelic. So I mix these two. For eyebrows, I'm gonna use this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, and it's in the shade Chocolate. And I'm just gonna run that through my eyebrows. We obviously don't have time to fill them in. So this is what you gotta do when you don't have time for that. And then if I do have a little bit of extra time, I will apply a little bit of eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do that because I do have time. So I'm just gonna grab any brush and I'm gonna use the Natasha Denona palette, which I mentioned in my previous video. And I'm gonna use the pinkish shade right here. And I'm just gonna apply that in my crease, and I'm just gonna blend that all over. Nothing specific. but just to add some color to my eyelid. Alright, that is all I'm gonna do for the eyes. And then I'm gonna move on to mascara. But first, I do have to curl my lashes. And then I'm just gonna apply mascara to my lashes. And then I'm gonna apply white liner on my lower lash line. And I love doing this because it makes your eyes look a little wider and it makes you look awake. So alright guys, and for the final step, I'm gonna use a lip moisturizer, and I'm using this one by It Cosmetics, which you guys probably heard me talk about it in my BoxyCharm unboxing. And I like applying this on my lower lip and then rubbing it against my upper lip. I don't like applying it directly on my upper lip because I sometimes just like go overboard and it goes like over my lip a little bit. But I would just like do a tiny bit. I do want to apply a little bit of highlighter, and I'm gonna use this one by Revolution Makeup, or Makeup Revolution, and it's this little palette right here. I've had this palette for a while, but I barely used it. And I'm gonna go in with this lighter goldy shade, or golden shade. And I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit. And a little bit on my nose. Alright guys, so this completes this makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick on-the-go makeup look. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos from me. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.